All right, y'all, here we go. This is the Scoot Zero III, the third signature release for Scoot Henderson. This is the Lucite model. He never disappoints with these boxes, man. All the Scoot boxes, Puma, congrats on that. Always doing a good job on these the boxes. Whole concept of this sneaker is supposed to be like a U.S. fighter jet is the whole concept of this album. Ooh, album, my bad. I've been so stuck on this J. Cole. Whole concept of this sneaker is a fire jet. So let's go ahead, open the box up, take a look at these sneakers. All right, the standard paper that we have in all of the Scoots. Trying to angle it so you guys don't see that camera, man. It's really screwing this up. All right, let's reveal the paper. Move the paper back. Let's get these bad boys out. Oh, I tell you, man, I sleep on these Scoots, man. He has dropped 3 phenomenal signature sneakers, man. Don't give enough credit on these 3. This one right here may be the best one. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Look at the little sparkles on that. That is crazy. The sparkles on those. So the sparkles are mainly just here in the front. Right here's all the sparkles. And you go around the shoe. Give you guys that 360 look. Oh, a little bit. No, it's all around the whole shoe. Especially when that light hits it, you see the sparkles on this patent leather. So this is all patent leather. Oh, look at that. Nah, these are serious, man. These are dope. And then you got the camo, gray camo right up here. And then you got it right here too. You got the gray camo. Man, these are sick. These have not released yet. I do not know when these are releasing. I know that these are currently out overseas, but when these are going to hit the U.S. market, I have no idea. Look at this. Mid sole of the sneaker. What is that right there? I don't know. Oh, Scoot. It's an S for Scoot. Man, these are sick. But come on, y'all. Just look at this. Look at the little sparkles on the sneaker all around. When that light hits it, this is the details is just, oh man, that is crazy. That is crazy, bro. Yeah, these are sick. I gotta say, I think these are the best Scoots. Look at that. This is sick, y'all. This is an amazing pair. These are, so when these drop, make sure you cop. Excuse the nails, haven't cut them, but don't worry about the nails. Just look at this nice piece of art right here. All right, y'all, I'm out. And here's a little detail here, if you guys can see it. It's a Scoot signature. Right there, it says Scoot.